Hey there, thank you for visiting the Lakeside Yard Services YouTube channel. In this video, we're showcasing a aggregate golf cart path. This property is in Townville on Lake Hartwell and requires Army Corps of Engineer approval for their portion of the property. So we went ahead and created a plan, and the client submitted it, and it was approved immediately. Army Corps requires no more than 6 feet total width of material, no matter what you're using. And so we put in with base rock, pulled the base rock to the edges, creating a border, and then put down crush run over the top of that, and then roll packed it for her. And then at the bottom, we replaced her old wooden steps with some new steps. And then at the top, we did what's called a dry pour. This is on her portion of the property. Carved it out, installed just quickcrete, screeded it, and packed it, and created a hard pack area for her to take her golf cart up to the top all the way without getting stuck. This was a much less expensive project versus doing it all in concrete. Came out wonderful. The clients were super happy. So if you're looking for something like this, please give us a call, 864-916-2018. Thank you.